I genuinely believe that no skincare ingredient makes a bigger impact than retinol. I know retinol can feel super intimidating, so here's a quick Retinol 101 for beginners, or anyone who's reintroducing it like I am. So let's answer the 5 most asked questions. First, why do people use retinol? For wrinkles, for fine lines, firmer skin, but people can also use it for acne, pores, brighter skin. It helps with dark spots. It's a go-to for a brighter, smoother complexion. What does it actually do? Simply, it speeds up skin cell turnover. It helps old skin cells shed, so your beautiful glowy skin underneath can come to the surface. And that's exactly what Lancome's Renergy CRX Triple Serum Retinol does. This actually sets a new level of skincare efficacy for women, providing 2 times faster skin cell renewal than retinol phase alone. So how often should you be using it? Start once every 3 nights at bedtime and then build up. Apply 2 pumps. This is 3 serums in one, so you want to mix it together, and follow with moisturizer. On your off days, you can use Lancome's HCF Triple Serum to hydrate and firm the skin. Pro tip, if you're sensitive, try the sandwich method, which is apply moisturizer first, retinol, and then another layer of moisturizer. This is a great method to avoid irritation. Can you use it with other actives? Yes, if it's formulated right. This serum actually contains pure retinol, pure vitamin C, and X peptides, but it's all in separate chambers for stability and potency, which means you're going to get the most out of your active ingredients. The pure vitamin C serum is in a gel serum, obviously with a pure concentration of vitamin C to help boost skin radiance. The X peptides are in a creamy serum to refine skin texture and also soothe. And of course, we can't forget the star of the show, which is a serum emulsion with pure retinol to visibly correct aging signs. It creates a high-performance serum that offers benefits from multiple active ingredients. And because it's been formulated together, it is 100% safe to be used together. But I would avoid using BHAs and AHAs, which are chemical exfoliants, on the same day, and make sure you always wear your SPF every single day. And now the golden question, when will you see results? You'll usually see results in 28 days, but with this, it can be even faster. Give it a few months and your skin will just keep getting better and better. Hopefully this gives you the confidence to start your retinol journey. Let me know if you have any other questions. I know it can be intimidating, but it's 100% worth it.